why we fail to achieve our health goals even if we are in pain. Friends, we all know that we are living in a time where everything is just a click away from us. But still, we are getting more overweight, we are getting more unhealthy, especially after the COVID 19 lockdown. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to lose their weight. Friends, there is this pandemic situation going on in all over world, and today I like to talk about especially about India, where 1 out of 5 women is malnourished, and 7 out of 10 corporate workers or the workforce of India does comes in overweight. Still, we tried many things. Still, we are developing so much. But why the problem of obesity and problem of overweight and problem of unhealthiness, problem of malnourishment is not getting over? I still remember those days when we used to have a chutney homemade along with dahi vada, and it used to be really delicious. But now, when whatever packet we want in our life, we can get easily from the market, and we don't even care that what is inside of that product. But it is the problem. Today, I like to talk about the three major reasons that why people fail to achieve their health goals. The number one reason is they don't care. They don't care that where do they stand. They don't care that what kind of diseases they can have. They don't care what people thinks about them. They don't care what family needs and expect from them in terms of health issue. It is a major problem. They are waiting for someone who or some doctor who tells them to have this medicine and do walking and do start a good diet. Are you among of them? Then don't be. You're not gonna believe that even if a one person, whether you are son, sister, wife, housemaker, father, grandfather, if a one person became health conscious, then the whole family will become healthy. And don't you want you along with your family to be healthy? Then you should take care of your health. I truly believe that we should not do our health goal, we should not achieve our health goal for the others, but definitely we should achieve our health goals for ourselves. And you can do this in a very easy way. You just need to know about the skills to be healthy. And it is the second reason that many people has tried diets in their past time but not able to achieve their health goals and they got failed. For those people, I want to ask one thing to them, that have you ever asked to your child when he was trying to walk for the first time that he has to walk correctly? The same thing happened with you also. Like walking, like riding a bicycle, like driving a car, like driving a motorcycle, they all are the skills, and for the first time we fail. But we do not stop. That's why don't stop even if you have failed. Many of the time people try the keto diet, many of the time people try the intermittent fasting diet, but they get failed. And because of that, they think that reaching their health goals is a hard task. But the health goals and health starts from our mindset, then it goes into our kitchen, then it goes into our workouts, then it becomes our diet, and then it becomes our habit of living. That's why it is a skill. It is a skill which you need to develop after giving some time into it, after getting failed and getting up again. Now, the third point. The third point is accountability issue. Let's say when I was used to work in my office in my first job, on that time there was a rule that once you get late 3 times in a month, then there will be a deduction of a salary of a half day or full day. So it was an accountability kind of a thing. That's why people usually do not come late. Even this kind of practices are still going on in many of the offices. Even if we make a rule that everyone has to walk 1500 steps in their office, otherwise they will be charged or there will be a penalty on them, then definitely there will be accountability and there will be an improvement. Many of the offices in the USA are applying the same thing. There are some exercise instruments over there which their workers has to do. So, but in India, we really need this kind of culture, but it's gonna take some time, maybe 10 years or maybe 20 years, but you will see this thing. For now, you have to be accountable. Let's say you are accountable to your family, to your friend, that for a day, if you're not going to go for a walk, then you have to pay 100 rupees, 50 rupees. You have to do something else. Then definitely you will have this goal. Many people who joins the dietitians, who joins the gym coaches, they became accountable to them. After that, in their way, they try their best to achieve their health goals. That's why they get success. But they are not able to make the life habits after joining this. That's why they get failed after 5 years. Should not we become them? Apply, join a coach, join a center which can make your life better along with your health. Friends, these are the three reasons which I have seen so far in many of the people. That's why they are not able to have, that's why they are not able to reach their health goals. But I think you just need to examine in which of them you come so that you can achieve your health goals in a brighter way. Friends, if you want to start your health journey, then I have made an ebook for you. You just need to go into the description and download that. You will have a knowledge about some of the beginner workouts and the beginner diet schedule will definitely impact your weight and it will help you to start your health journey. If you want me to give you personal guidance on your health, on your diets, on your workouts, and on your life, then feel free to contact me or message me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now. I know you can do it. You just need to know your fitness.